A significant event recently unfolded in the world of finance and technology. It happened in Thailand, a country rapidly embracing digital innovation. Bangkok Bank has taken a pioneering step. It became the first major bank globally to officially connect its systems to the Pi network. This is not just a small update. It is a landmark moment. It signals a potential shift in how we think about money, banking, and the digital currencies. This move could reshape the future of payments in Thailand and possibly the world. The news sent ripples through traditional banks and the enthusiastic crypto community. For years, these two worlds were often separate. Banks as the old guard, cryptocurrencies as a decentralized frontier. A major bank integrating with Pi felt surprising and exciting, a convergence of stability and innovation. It matters because of the cryptocurrency involved, the Pi network. To grasp the importance of Bangkok Bank's actions, one must first understand the Pi network. At its core, Pi is a digital currency project with a specific and ambitious goal: easy access and use for everyone. Traditional crypto mining required powerful computers and deep technical knowledge. It created high barriers, leaving most people on the sidelines. Pi's founders, a team of Stanford graduates, designed a new approach. Users mine Pi on smartphones by daily verification, light on battery and data. With billions owning phones, Pi grew a massive community, tens of millions pre-launch. Pi's philosophy is inclusivity, wide distribution, and ease of use. From students in Seoul to shopkeepers in São Paulo, ordinary people can participate. Vision: a P2P economy where Pi is used for goods and services, utility over speculation. This context makes Bangkok Bank's interest clear. Not just code, a potential new economy. Engaging during testing positions the bank at the forefront of financial evolution. Before launch, cryptocurrencies run a testnet, a dress rehearsal with fake money and no real-world consequences. Pi's test coins are Test Pi, no official monetary value, not exchangeable for baht or dollars. Purpose: let developers, users, and partners like Bangkok Bank experiment. Build apps, test payment processes, send, receive Test Pi, find and fix bugs and security issues. Scale testing ensures stability for millions of transactions. Pi's enclosed mainnet, live network, firewalled from exchanges, real utility inside a controlled environment. Verified pioneers can buy goods, services with Pi apps, utility first, not trading. This methodical path likely gave Bangkok Bank confidence to engage in a controlled experiment. They're learning from the inside, preparing for the eventual transition to open mainnet. When Pi becomes publicly tradable, this groundwork will matter. September 13, 2025. A significant day in Thailand's digital finance timeline. Bangkok Bank formally connected internal systems to Pi's testnet, a practical integration. They tested how Pi transactions flow within existing infrastructure. With 6 other Thai banks, they simulated interbank settlement, crucial for viability. They evaluated settlement between institutions, a key step to adoption. SMEs joined to ground the test in day-to-day commerce. Goal: can businesses accept Pi easily and move value into banking systems? Key questions: speed, security, integration, and user experience. Data informs refinements, tools, and a roadmap for potential nationwide Pi payments. A bold statement from a respected institution, exploring decentralized currency potential. During the test, the Pi payment flow mirrored today's digital payments. A customer orders a latte. They see a QR code for Pi payments. They open the Pi wallet app. The app shows the merchant an amount due in baht and Test Pi at a fixed demo rate. One tap confirms. Seconds later, payment completes. The transaction is recorded on Pi's distributed ledger. Funds appear in the merchant's Pi wallet almost instantly. They convert Test Pi to Test THB in their connected Bangkok Bank account. The bank recognizes, verifies, and credits the equivalent value. The missing bridge. Accepting Pi becomes as simple as other digital payments. No separate exchange needed. A mango sticky rice vendor displays a QR. Tourists and office workers scan and pay instantly. No cash hassles. Less cash handling improves hygiene and reduces security risks. End of day, balance shows in baht, ready for supplies. A designer is paid instantly in Pi. Peer-to-peer, fewer intermediaries and fees. SMEs simulate B2B Pi payments for faster, cheaper settlement. Though domestic, the test hints at future cross-border Pi payments bypassing slow wires. Friends reimburse in test Pi, like Venmo, PayPal, but on a decentralized network. Crucially, value flows back into banking, utility and trust reinforced. For merchants, Pi acceptance felt as simple as any digital pay, a glimpse of a Pi-powered economy. More than a technical trial, it's a mindset shift. Banks long saw crypto as volatile, unregulated, and a threat. Bangkok Bank moves from defensive to proactive. Rather than build closed systems, partner with open, global, decentralized networks. Be the trusted bridge between crypto and traditional finance. This can drive financial inclusion in Thailand and worldwide. Many are unbanked or underbanked. Mobile-first Pi lowers access barriers. Banks evolve into service providers, security, compliance, fiat on-off ramps. Adapting now keeps banks relevant, a step toward the bank of the future. Thailand is fertile ground for fintech, regulated innovation, CBDC experiments, and clear licensing frameworks. Clarity gives banks legitimacy to explore. High crypto adoption, youth, and mobile payment habits make Pi a smaller leap. The Bangkok Bank Pi test unites legacy institutions, global crypto, and local businesses. What happens here could serve as a blueprint for other nations, a nation-sized testbed for the future of finance. What comes next? The road from testnet to mainnet? The test was just the beginning. Teams analyze performance, security, integration, and user experience to refine systems. More tests likely, more SMEs, more transaction types. Ultimate goal, transition to open mainnet. Open means public, decentralized, then listings and market set value. Two conditions, mass KYC and a mature utility ecosystem. If open mainnet launches, bank integration can go live with real Pi and bot. Regulation, stability, and security remain paramount, but the vision is tangible. Bangkok Bank became the first bank to connect to the Pi network, testing real-life Pi payments with 6 Thai banks and SMEs on September 13th. From coffee to street food to B2B, payments felt instant and familiar, then converted into bank balances. Banks can be the trusted bridge, linking decentralized value to the real economy, expanding financial inclusion. Thailand's model could guide other nations as Pi advances from enclosed to open mainnet. The world will be watching Thailand. This could be the dawn of a new era in digital finance.